briefly talk about the general specifications of Samsung Galaxy C8. Operating system will be Android 7.1, no Get. And it will have quick charging and Bixby voice assist. Secondly, let's talk about the display of Samsung Galaxy C8. 5.5 inches Full HD Super AMOLED display. Pixel density 515 pixels per inch. And some sensors are accelerometer, proximity sensor, and light sensor, or fingerprint sensor. Thirdly, let's talk about the processor and the RAM of Samsung Galaxy C8. Processor is going to be 2.3 GHz octa-core 64-bit Qualcomm Snapdragon 660, whereas the RAM will be 4 GB. And fourthly, let's talk about the camera of Samsung Galaxy C8. Rear camera will be dual cameras of 16 megapixel and 5 megapixel. And front camera will be 16 megapixel, with front and back LED flash. Fifth, we will talk about storage of Samsung Galaxy C8. The internally available storage will be 64 GB, and is expandable up to 256 GB with micro SD card. Sixth, at last we shall get you noticed about the battery. The battery is 3850 mAh non-removable with quick charging. Moving forward now we shall discuss the price and release date of Samsung Galaxy C8. The expected price is $600 dollars, that is 40,000 Indian rupees. And the release date shall be around March 2018. And finally we shall talk about the overall score and alternatives for Samsung Galaxy C8. Overall score from Smartphonepedia will be 8 out of 10. And the best alternative for Samsung Galaxy C8 is iPhone 7. Well, I hope you found the information valuable. So, please do a return favor by clicking the like button and subscribing to my channel. Thanks for watching Samsung Galaxy C8 specifications.